Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be factory restoring, which means we're going to delete everything from within the switch. Now, it's going to be the exact same instructions for both of them, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, let's just get started. You're going to go right down until you see right here, system settings. Just go right into your system settings. From system settings, you want to go all the way down, and then you're going to see system. From here, again, we're going to go down. We're going to see formatting options. Just go into formatting options. Again, go all the way down. You're going to see initialize console. That actually will wipe everything clean from your console. That means all your games, your data, everything within here, your account included, will be wiped clean. Does that mean if you're getting a brand new Nintendo, you can't use the same account there? Yes, you can. You're not deleting the account itself. You're just deleting the account from here, from this switch. So the new user can just put in his own stuff in here. So just keep in mind that if you are selling this, just take out your micro SD card if you have one inserted already. But anyways, let's just get started. We're going to tap on this option. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go next. Next. And here we go. So it's going to hook up to our internet and then we can go ahead and delete everything. So right now, as you guys can see, it says initialize. We're just going to do that. And there we go. Make sure as you're doing this, do not power off your Nintendo, or if it's running out of battery, make sure it doesn't. So maybe plug it into some electricity if it's low. Maybe the battery, it's 100%, but it's not doing as it did when it was brand new. Well, again, have it hooked up some electricity, charging up while you do this. Nothing's gonna happen. It's actually better if you do that if your switch is not 100%. Now, how long will this take? Well, generally speaking, we are looking at those 10 to 5 minutes. It does depend on your internet speed as well, so it could be shorter than that. Alright, so after a bit, you might notice that it kind of turned off by itself. Just let it be for a while, but then you do have to turn it back on. So we're just going to turn it back on, and we should see that everything got back into factory reset. That means it has no account in it. You have to go throughout the whole setup again. So this is normal. We should see the logo from Switch. Everything should be turning on as normal, just not with your account. It should be as when you got it for the first time. And here we go. So you have to select the language and do the whole setup again. Which, by the way, you can actually go ahead and put in your same account again and activate it that way if you want to. Now, if you're selling it, returning it for any reason, just fully turn it off. So just hold on to that power button and keep holding on to it until it just turns off again, because we are all done with this factory reset. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.